welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing how was your 2020 going so far, guys? So for today's video I'm gonna do makeup tutorial on this makeup look right here. This is very simple, minimal, neutral, without eyelashes makeup look, which I have created for everyday makeup look, college makeup look, and most important, I have used all drugstore makeup products. And this is going to be very affordable makeup tutorial as well. Yes, by the way, this is very easy makeup look, and if you guys want to know how I did my makeup look, then please keep on watching this video. And for the delay, guys, let's get to the tutorial now. I have washed my face and I need to do moisturizer. Guys, please, before doing makeup, just prep your skin and do some skincare, guys. It's very important. So guys, for the moisturizer today, I'm gonna use this Clinique moisturizing gel. It's about to finish now, and I don't use this moisturizer every single day these days. I have switched to my moisturizer. I love moisturizer and I always like to try different kind of moisturizer. So just only 2 pumps and I'm just gonna apply all over my face. Don't forget your neck as well. If you guys are my follower, you guys know how much I love eye cream. So I'm gonna use this Garnier eye roll, this anti-puffiness instant freshness eye cream. Yes, I'm gonna use this one today. With soft hand, I'm just going to roll. One more skincare items you have to do like every single day, means every single day, that is sunscreen. You have to use sunscreen like every season, every month, every day, every week, every hour, and every year. You know what I mean? Yes, sunscreen is very important. Today I'm gonna use this Osea Herbal sunscreen lotion. ठिकै छ यो हैन, but this is not my favorite sunscreen, but I use it sometimes. I hate winter. My god. Do you guys like winter? Winter ma chai ekdamai lazy hunchu ma. And of course my neck, really important, and my ear as well. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys so that you can see me properly. Today for the primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline. You guys answer. For the primer today, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, and this is kind of good primer, by the way. I mean, yeah, this is good primer. It really fills your pore, you know, because I have oily skin and I do have pores like on my these cheeks, yes, cheeks and nose, just here matre. Today I'm gonna do my base first and then rest of my makeup. I don't know, I'm feeling that. So for the foundation, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Matte Plus Poreless Foundation in the shade 130 Buff Base. The only thing I don't like about this foundation is packaging. Oh my god, the packaging is so not practical. I'm just going to take this foundation back of my hand. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to dot all over my face because this is fun. As usual, I'm going to blend this with my wet beauty sponge. फाउन्डेसन फेरि त्यति धेरै अक्सिडाइज हुन्न के यो Maybelline को सुपर स्टे फाउन्डेसन चाहिँ एकदम अक्सिडाइज हुन्छ हैन. एन्ड नाउ आई एम गोना युज concealer, just a little bit concealer, right now, just to hide this things. Okay, and for that I'm gonna use this Maybelline Newer Concealer, Fit Me Concealer. In this shade 20 Sand Sable, in case you guys wanna know. I love this concealer. Just here, just like this, nothing crazy. And again the blending. I have this small beauty blender right now, so I'm just going to blend with this. Is the corner match, To set my base, I'm going to use this Airspun loose powder. I'm not going to bake, so now I'm just going to set my under eye. So for my face, I'm going to use my another beauty blender. My beauty blender le face man parcha. So just to avoid that fine smile lines. Quickly, I have done my eyebrow. If you guys want to see my everyday eyebrow routine, I have already made one video. I'm gonna put a link in my description box below. Maybe you guys can go and see that video if you want to learn some tips and tricks. So yes, I have done natural brows and I'm kind of liking my brows today. Let's forget it. I'm gonna set my lid with some powder, any powder, just to avoid creasing. For eyeshadow palette, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. Yes, and this palette has all the beautiful shades. So first, as a transition color, I'm gonna pick this color right here, this one, with this blending brush from DU Care, and this shade will go to my crease. My crease, and I think I'm gonna take more. For next shade, I'm gonna pick this one right here. I'm gonna blend this shade right my outer corner. Yes, just right outer corner. That's it. So now I'm gonna take this shade right here, this white shade, with this flat brush. I'm just going to do this. And I'm going to curl my lashes. Oh my god, look at my face. There you go. And guys, for the mascara, I'm gonna use this Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. I love this mascara, guys. I mean, this mascara is so good and very, very affordable. Can see. And for my this lower lash line, I'm gonna pick this previous shade. And done. And mascara to my lower lashes. And for my brow bone and inner corner, I'm gonna pick this shade. Sorry, yes, I'm gonna pick this shimmer shade right here. With this flat brush, I'm gonna apply to my brow bone. For my inner corner, this tip brush. Quickly off camera, I'm gonna do my another eye. So guys, to bronze off my face, I'm gonna use this butter bronzer from Physician Formula. This bronzer is so good, guys. A little bit on my forehead. Now for the blush, I'm gonna use this EYEBROW in the shade Just a Natural. This is perfect for everyday blush. You just have to take just a little bit. This is so pigmented and now I'm gonna set my makeup. To set my makeup, I'm gonna use this Essence Instant Matte Makeup Setting Spray. This one. Yes, this works pretty much good. And guys, now it's time to add some glow to my face. So for that, I'm gonna use this this Wet n Wild highlighter powder in the shade Precious Petal. Yeah, that's it. Now it's time for lipstick. First, I'm gonna take off my lip balm. Yeah. For lipstick, this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. This is so perfect nude for me. And if you guys are around my skin tone or my skin color, this will look perfect. So this is the final look, guys. What do you guys think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comment section below. Whenever I have to go somewhere, I always like to do this makeup look. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. As usual, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell as well, so that you guys get notified whenever I upload a video. So yes guys, and as always, stay beautiful, stay positive and stay happy. So bye bye.